that extra little ticking sound that it's making. I can't tell where it's coming from. Seems like there's something right down in there. Making that sound. The engine is about halfway warmed up. I actually had to turn around and come back and get something. I've never actually listened to it when it was at this temperature. It's not doing it anymore. Yeah, if anybody knows what that is, let me know.